Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. First and foremost, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Here are some inspiring benefits of adult bedrooms makeovers. Enhance comfort. A bedroom makeover can enhance comfort by creating a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenations. With cozy bedding, soft lighting, and organized furniture, you can transform your bedroom into a sanctuary where you can unwind after a long day, promoting better sleep and overall well-being. Personalized retreat. A bedroom makeover allows you to personalize your space according to your taste and preferences, creating a retreat that reflects your unique style and personality. Whether you prefer a minimal, modern, or eclectic aesthetic, you can tailor your bedroom design to suit your individual lifestyle and preferences. Make it a true reflection of yourself. Improve functionality. By optimizing the layout and organization of your bedroom during a makeover, you can improve its functionality and efficiency. Clever storage solutions. Strategic furniture placement and multi-functional designs elements can maximize space and streamline your daily routine, making it easy to keep your bedroom tidy and clutter-free. Mood enhancement. A well-designed bedroom can enhance your mood and mental well-being by creating a space that evokes positive emotions and feelings of your serenity. Thoughtfully chosen colors, textures, and decor elements can uplift your spirit and create the calming atmosphere, reducing stress and anxiety levels and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. Increase productivity. A problem makeover can boost productivity to creating a conductive environment for work, study, and creative pursuits. By incorporating ergonomic furniture, task lighting, and design works areas into your bedroom design, you can create a productive workshop that inspires focus and creativity, allowing you to accomplish more with ease. Enhanced romance. A bedroom makeover can regenerate romance and intimacy in your relationships by creating a romantic and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting, luxurious bedding, essential decor elements can set the mood for romance, encouraging quality time with your partner and fostering deeper connection and intimacy. Improve sleep quality. A well-designed bedroom can improve sleep quality by creating a conducive environment for rest and relaxation. Comfortable bedding, blackout clutters, and clutter-free space can promote better sleep hygienic and help fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated each morning. Healthier lifestyle. A bedroom makeover can promote a healthier lifestyle by encouraging positive habits and routines. By creating a calming and organized space, you can establish a bedtime routine that prioritizes relaxation and self-care, leading to better sleep, reduce stress, and improve overall health and well-being. Increase property value. A professionally designed bedroom makeover can increase the value of your home by enhancing its appeal to potential buyer. A stylish and well appointed bedroom can make a strong impression on prospections buyers and set your home apart from others on the market, potentially leading to a higher selling price and faster sale. Renewed energy. A bedroom makeover can renew your energy and aestheticism of your life, revitalizing your living space and creating a fresh start. By decluttering, recognize and updating your bedroom decor, you can create a space that inspires positivity and optimism, improving your tackle new challenges and pursue your goal with renewed vigor. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a bedroom makeover can install a sense of accomplishment and pride in your home environment skills. Whether you are undertake the makeover yourself or enlist the help of professionals, seeing the transformations of your bedroom from start to finish can boost your confidence and self-esteem, motivating you to take on new projects and challenges. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please take care of yourself.